So what is a 10 frame? Take a minute to look at this blank 10 frame and see what you notice. You might notice that there are 10 boxes total. You might notice that there are 5 boxes on the top and 5 on the bottom. How about if we add some counters to our 10 frame? What do you notice now? You likely are noticing that there are 7 counters. Maybe you counted the 7 individually, or maybe you noticed that the top 5 is filled and there are 2 more on the bottom. Or maybe you saw there were 3 missing from making it a full 10 and knew that was a 7. The 10 frame is really just a rectangle filled with 10 individual boxes. Its power comes in helping us visualize numbers and relate them back to 10 and 5. By seeing and knowing that a 10 frame will always have 10 boxes with 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom, kids can use and grow even more their number sense, relating numbers back to 5 and 10. This can help build some really important understandings and skills for addition and subtraction with simple numbers in the beginning and bigger numbers later on. If you're looking to start your child on a 10 frame, consider doing the steps we just did here. Share the blank 10 frame and see what they notice. Then, gradually introduce some form of counters and have them notice the relationship of the number of counters back to 5 and 10. If you want a printable 10 frame and some tips for using it, click on the link below.